Hi Pearl, this is the white Ram truck that you inquired about here at Scarborough Town Dodge. Stock number 99638. We have a lot of trucks here, several rows deep, but I want to let you know that the one that you had asked about is actually here, and I want to confirm that you know it is leather and has the big bins at the back so you know it's a crew cab. And these things come out, and if you didn't know already, the nice bucket seats and a panoramic sunroof. And there's the trailer brake controller on it. You see 3-level heated seats, and there are cooled seats as well, heated steering wheel, and all that is available from here. And of course, apps menu, Bluetooth connectivity. So Pearl, we have a lot of vehicles here, a lot of trucks, and hopefully we can make a difference and help you make a decision that would work for you.